Hello YouTube and welcome to another video. This is I'm just telling you to subscribe to Ryan Miller. There he is. There's going to be a link in the description to his channel, or my Facebook, Twitter, everything. Yeah, go subscribe. He's awesome. He's made no videos yet, but I think he will be making some while he's here. So, and he's eating his dinner and just scoffing it. I think he's got it in his mouth. So yeah. Yeah, just go subscribe to Ryan Miller. It'll be in a link. There'll be a link in the description. So if you want to say anything for your channel, Ryan.
Yeah, man. Thank God you did, man. Yeah, man.
Not did right. He's right funny in there. He might be making videos, but yeah, it's been going on 45 seconds just about. So.
Hey, did you know the creeper has 10 times 10 TNT in his body?
It does. Bye bye. Smile. Right. Smile! Strange. There you go. Bye bye. Say it. Okay. Bye.